Hello everyone, I am Ruby from Ruby Artist Studio. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic watermelon, and for this purpose I am going to introduce you all the colors by name, and also I will comment the numbers of the colors that I have used in the video so that it's easier for you to follow. In the beginning I have started with the pink madder lake color in Fabercastell polychoromos, and pretty much all the base of the watermelon red part is with this color. So let's take a while and put the smooth layer little by little on top of each other. As you're noticing, I'm putting the color almost everywhere, but the spots that are like a little brown drops that later, these are going to be the brown parts in watermelon that are the seeds. The other cross section of the watermelon should be a little bit brighter. For this reason, I'm using the same color, but I'm putting it in a more smooth form so that it shows that it's a little bit brighter and not as dark. It is also possible to use the flesh color in order to get that lighter look and not necessarily use the exact same color. And then comes the blending with the white colored pencils, that if we have enough pigment on the paper, we get a smooth look at the end. And then I'm putting basically the red color in order to make the darker spot more 3D look. Try to check your reference picture several times, because the darker colors are not going everywhere in the drawing, just in some particular spot. And especially in the case of watermelon, this white spot that you get out of coloring shows somehow the freshness with water, so we don't need to cover everything. And then with a little bit even darker color, we can even make it more bold and more highlighted, and the madder color is the color that I'm using in this section. And of course, with the brighter flesh color, we go back and we fix all the parts that needs a little bit of a smooth layer. I'm using the brown color in order to show the seed in watermelon, and this basically should be very easy. We just don't put the brown color everywhere because that is not a flat object. And next comes basically the skin of the watercolor, that is a combination of several greens, from very dark green to bright green. And basically, if you look at the skin of any watermelon, you see this nice unordered pattern that is being repeated, so you can be pretty free in putting that same structure on your drawing. Just have several colors of green and then blend them together. Then pick the greenest, the brightest green color that you have and put it in the upper part of the skin. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I would appreciate your comments and suggestions for the videos, and see you in the next week drawing.